Workers put 12 weeks to 16 weeks old chicken into layered chicken cage. Our design and quality of chicken poultry cage based on Euro standard. Our factory is since 1996. Chicken are drinking cyclic medicine water by touching nipple drinker of automatic drinking system. It uses for 20 years. Chicken eat feed that is added to the trough by workers. Our feeding trough is made of high-quality PE. Eggs are picked up by workers. We own strong production strengths in branch of China, Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Nigeria. Contact us now for your personalized quotation.